color. Less than a minute, and then we strain. Can you see how green and beautiful this looks? Yeah. Now time to combine. Okay, we turn our heat back up. Okay, you may need to see closely how the pot is looking. Okay, we're going in with the onions. We need some garlic and ginger. Yeah, we're still live. So onions first. Just saute this for a few minutes. This chicken is so nice. I'm going in with garlic and ginger paste. See the rice. Put a little bit of water with you. Let's see how water again. This will go in now, the mixed veggies. We're basically just combining everything at this point. Separate that for a minute. Let me quickly mix this sauce. So in this bowl, I'm going in with some oyster sauce. Some light soy sauce. Some people add sugar to these sauces. I really don't fancy that. So a little bit of the dark soy sauce. I don't want it to alter our food coloring. I'm just going to stir with the spoon we've been using. Okay. See how beautiful the pot is looking. The broccoli will be the last thing I want to add to it. So I'm going with the chicken.